Hey, how you going? Welcome to today's video. In this one, we're going to draw Pac-Man from Stumble Guys, originally from the Atari 2600, many years ago. Remember playing that? Let's draw. Let's start Pac-Man from Stumble Guys with a circle. I'm just going to draw a circle with a pencil as my base. And I'm going to just pop on where his arm is going to be. His Stumble Guy sort of glove type setup there. His other one's behind his body, so sort of like a superhero sort of Stumble Guy's glove like this. Then we've got a big smile for Pac-Man. Bring the smile around like that. A couple of big eyes. 1, 2 oval shapes. Then above them, he's got these sort of a triangle with some black bits to the side. There's one. There's the other one. I'm going to put them above. In here, he's got the little slit from each side. He's got a tongue. And then he's got his boots. So that comes down. Got like a little ridge inside here, so I'm going to just draw that, and then a little bit coming down like so, comes in and around and back and around like that. That's his boot. So, and he's got a sole on his boot, and then he's got the other side part of his boot there. Now we're going to draw this one, another oval shape with another piece inside. Same as this part. Let's bring that around. Might make that a lot slightly bigger. Bring that down. And then this one's a bit more side on. So we're seeing it more side on. Bringing that in with the sole of the shoe. I'm just going to refine this in outline now, and I'm going to speed that up. Thanks for watching today. Thumbs up. Catch you later. See ya. Bye.